And what do we got, Yo-Yo and Vanessa?
All right, Christina Amflick on YouTube asked, I filed for adjustment of status. Will it be affected due to the August 25th, 2020 new form of the I-765?
If you've already filed it, no, you're okay.
Okay, next one comes from Paulette Bryce Cameron on Facebook. Brad, I applied for my citizenship in August of 2019 and did fingerprints in September 2019, but I have not heard back from USCIS. Should I be worried?
No, not yet. There's something called coronavirus, and they had a big shutdown for a while.
Simon Pascal on Facebook asked, if you missed your biometric appointment simply because you didn't receive a notification and then you try to reschedule but you don't hear back, what should you do?
Just take the appointment, go on any Wednesday, and they'll fingerprint you.
Kadena Lewis on Facebook. Good evening, Brad. I got married, came to America in 2018, and received my green card, but my husband moved out. Can that affect my citizenship? And if so, what should I do?
Well, if you got your 10-year card and your husband moved out, then you got to file your citizenship after 5 years of having your card, not 3 if you were still with your husband.
Manny on Facebook asks, I'm a green card holder, but I've been out of the country for more than 6 months and haven't been able to return to the U.S. due to COVID. I've been using Medicaid for many years in the U.S. When I return back to the U.S., will I have any issues at the port of entry?
You may, because of the public charge provisions.
Anta Boom on YouTube. Hi, Uncle Brad. I've been a follower of your show for over a year now. I'm still waiting for my AOS marriage-based interview. It was canceled due to COVID. I would like to pursue my nursing education. Do I have to wait for the green card approval, or is it okay to enroll now?
Go enroll.
Okay, Miss Iqbal on YouTube asks, my wife is a U.S. citizen. She filed for me in October 2019 in Texas 1 month ago. We called USCIS to know about the case. They said it's in Vermont. We transferred, but we didn't get notes. We called again and they said it's still in process. How long will it take to get approved?
I don't know. Magic 8 Ball, will this case be approved by the end of the year? And what kind of case is it? Tell the Magic 8 Ball again.
It is...
Or she doesn't even say what it is.
It didn't even say.
We don't even know what case it is, Magic 8 Ball. Just some
It
random...
just said that the wife filed for him.
Who filed for who?
The wife is a U.S. citizen and she filed for Miss Iqbal.
Okay, the wife's a U.S. citizen and filed for Miss Iqbal, wherever Miss Iqbal may be, or Mr. Iqbal. We don't know.
It says Miss Iqbal.
We don't know, Magic 8 Ball. Will this paperwork, whatever it may be, will it be approved by the end of the year? And the Magic 8 Ball says, better not tell you now. Even the Magic 8 Ball doesn't even know what's going on. The Magic 8 Ball has not been very, what is the word? Proficient, not proficient.
Profound.
Profound, maybe. No, that's not the word I'm looking for. But clairvoyant, or future thinking. Not giving very positive advice these days, Magic 8 Ball.
Spark Sabrina on Instagram. Brad, help me understand. Why does the consular at the Jamaican embassy have to require a second AOS?
Because they're being JERKS, and they've been told from the higher ups in the State Department that don't give green cards out to immigrants. Give people a hard time.
All right. Abhi B on YouTube asks, my friend is married to a U.S. citizen, but she's very abusive to him. He got his asylum EAD and filed to family court asking to cancel the marriage. Are there any chances of filing and winning a VAWA case while he's already applied for the asylum in January 2020?
Wait, he's a asylum, or what is he applying for?
So the friend is married to a U.S. citizen, and she's
okay. So he's an annulment. You mean he's filing for?
Yes.
Right. Okay. So the wife has to go in and fight the annulment, and countersue for a divorce and file for a VAWA.
Man Manan Kumar on Facebook. My I-130 case was approved by NBC on June 30th, 2020. I am waiting for my interview in India, scheduled for August 17th. The embassy has resumed services for H-1B, J, and EB visa. Do you know when they will start immigrant visa interviews?
I do not know, but there are no H-1B visas right now because of the proclamation. So hopefully soon now.
Right. Nina Frederick on YouTube asks, my PD is February 26, 2016, F1, unmarried adult of U.S. citizen, Vermont office. Right now, USCIS processing time is August 5th, 2016, but I have not received WL. What does this mean?
WL? Not received. What would a WL be? A WL. Not received.
Work license? No.
Read the. She has a priority date of 2016. She hasn't got an approval letter.
No.
Was that basically what she's waiting on?
So we're trying to check this out. So yeah, so the priority date was 2016 of February, and she's an unmarried adult.
Right, I understand that. Right.
Okay, so right now the USCIS processing time is August 5th, 2016, but they haven't received
her approval.
WL, so maybe like a letter, just.
Yeah, I guess her approval letter. If you haven't gotten your approval letter and they're past your in a processing time, you got to contact immigration and see what they say.
Okay, Bpin Don Wade on Facebook. Married to a U.S. citizen in 2012, but I'm living in India as a U.S. citizen.
Denisha Joseph, welcome letter.
Welcome letter. Ooh.
Yeah, but why would what you wouldn't get a welcome letter. You have an I-130 either pending or approved. You got to file an adjustment. So that's why that's why I wasn't even thinking welcome letter.
Right?
All right, so
for the F1.
Yeah, you need an approval for the I-130, and then you need to adjust your status if you're eligible to do so. Go on an interview, and then you would get a welcome letter. You just don't get random welcome letter because you have a pending I-130.
All right.
But thank you, Tanisha. Go ahead, Nesquik.
That squad, man.
Squad is with us.
Back up. Married to a U.S. citizen in 2012, but I'm living in India as a U.S. citizen. Never filed for a green card. What are my possibilities or options to obtain a green card and live a normal life in the U.S.?
Well, your spouse has to file an I-130 for you here stateside, and then go into the U.S. Embassy to get a green card, and your spouse has to tell the U.S. Embassy that you both plan on moving to America. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.